I thought we were gonna say we're gonna push it, not destroy it.
Oh, there's a teacher coming over here. You better be careful. You hold it. I'm not gonna get into it.
How dare you run into my feet? That is so it.
You're still recording.
Okay, he's okay. He's okay. Whoa! Ankle breaker. Hey, be nice to the poor little guy. This is like bullying in. I was about to say this is like bullying in middle school, but that is much worse. Let's do a quick mobility test. Accelerate. Steer. It survives. That was so sad. Nah.
It's an abusive parent.
Nah.
Get over here.
Hey Simba, can you like push up Mufasa over there? He's kind of knocked down. What's like the bad guy's name? Is this? No, it's not Drake. It's
Scar.
Yeah, Scar. Yeah.
Woo! Can't control it. Oh, it's too far.
Oh! Okay, Mufasa comes back to life. Little injuries, but he's fine. What? What happened over here? Yo! Oh, the torque! Well, we know who won that. The driving is immaculate. Punish now! What's the little green thing good to do? Alright, who has the more push power? The green guy or the black truck?
Stop. You can be on the lookout for that teacher.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, shoot.